What's the meaning of concentric? Concentric. Concentric.
Concentric. Concentric. The term concentric refers to a pattern or design where multiple circles or objects share the same center point. These circles or objects are arranged at a fixed distance from each other and have the same axis. The resulting image or shape displays a symmetrical and harmonious structure that can be found in various natural and man-made objects, such as tree rings, target boards, wheels, or architectural domes. The concentric pattern is often used in art, design, and engineering to create a sense of balance, unity, and depth.